this is my favorite setup for vlogging now, period. It's just amazing. It's so small, tiny, and portable. I don't know, it's just fantastic. The zoom range is amazing, 12 to 60mm, 12mm is wide enough. It's awesome. But yesterday actually it ran out of battery after 2 hours, which was not expected because I wasn't shooting long clips. I was shooting a few seconds up to 1 minute 30 seconds at a time. And it ran out of battery after 2 hours, and I was surprised. I brought only one battery, so in the end I had to record something with my phone, and then when I was editing I forgot about those clips that I recorded with the phone, so they were not included in yesterday's vlog, which was a shame, but yeah, it is what it is. So next time I'm gonna bring extra battery. Expect a longer battery life from this camera, but it is what it is. Autofocus wise, it's mostly pretty effective, except when close focusing, when you are trying to focus up close. In some certain situations it's a little bit difficult, but mostly acceptable. For me, I don't really care about super fast autofocus actually. Alright, my camera battery just died, so I have to continue the vlog with my phone actually, since this is a pretty nice view here. It would be a shame if I don't record anything. Okay. Feels bad, man. GX85 battery lasted 2 hours, and it's not like continuous shooting, like shooting a few, I don't know, a few seconds, at most 1 or 2 minutes clips at a time, and it just died. The battery just died. I needed 2 batteries. Why didn't I bring two batteries? Feels bad, man. Now, vlogging with a phone, what does it feel like? I feel like I'm an amateur. I feel like I'm a
feel like you're
fucking noob. I feel like I'm a peasant for using phone to vlog. Disgusting.
You're talking about me?
I am
right next to me. Yeah, thanks.
I am disgusted by my
Bitch, what?
By my behavior of shooting with a phone. It is
It wasn't your
unacceptable.
choice. Your camera died.
What are you doing?
Huh?
Are you sleeping?
Meditating. Falling asleep.
So I also used the ND filter on the lens yesterday because it was very bright, very sunny day, and the result, sometimes you get very heavy green tint in the color in the image. Like, it's kind of weird, maybe because there were a lot of green, a lot of trees and grass surrounding us, so it auto white balance. But I don't think it's an ugly look. It's totally fine. I'm happy with the look. So that's something that happened. Alright, about the sound quality. Now, this GX85 doesn't have a mic jack, means you can only use onboard microphone. So the sound quality isn't the best, obviously. It's a little bit difficult, but for run and gun, actually, I don't mind it that much. Obviously, if you have a mic, external mic, that will be so much better, especially in windy situation. But you know, it is what it is. Sometimes when I want to shoot very minimalist run and gun vlog, I use this setup. It's perfect. And if I have to shoot something at a higher quality, I'll use GH5 with the external mic. I'm not monetizing the majority of my videos is because I want to provide a better viewing experience. Like, recently YouTube just went crazy about an advertisement. Every few seconds you get a new ad, and that's non-skippable, or you have to wait for 5 seconds to skip and only to find that there is another ad to skip after that one. It's so annoying, really annoying, especially if you don't change any setting. YouTube will automatically add a whole bunch of mid-roll. So a 10 minutes video will be full of ads, maybe 3, 4, 5 ads in the middle. It's crazy. I just disabled by default all the ads, and I because I also want to watch my own video. I don't want to watch ads when I watch my own video. So that's another concern, you know, for a better viewing experience for me and for everyone who's watching the channel. Except for, you know, a few videos that is more serious gear review video, I will set the ad on so that I can have some monetization. Plus, I can't really make that much money off of those vlogging, those videos with 10 views. You make 0.0001 cent, so it's not worth it. It just doesn't make sense. It's better just turn it off.